What is the first thing bats learn in school? The alphabet! Stick around for a simple art tutorial on how to draw a bat. First, draw a U at the center of your drawing paper. Next, draw a bigger U underneath. Next are our ears. We're going to draw 2 upside-down V's. When you're done, connect the ears. Then, draw a line underneath. For the legs, it consists of 2 U's with 2 lines on top. Draw 2 dots for the eyes. Our nose consists of a circle and 2 lines. Then, draw 2 lines on both sides. When you're done, draw 6 lines on both sides. Our last step is to connect the lines. You're all done. Fantastic! If you like this activity, download our free How to Draw a Bat handout on Twinkl.com.